everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all guys for tuning in and thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time, please do not hesitate to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Remember guys, in this channel I do a lot of things. I do cooking, vlogging, reviews and motivational talk. Okay, so in today's topic we want to talk about people when they benefit from government for Europe here and the reason why they collect their children. Now what we want to talk about, because me I live for Italy here, so I go still talk some of my experience and some other things. So first of all, to collect money for government for Italy here, it's not easy, because if you live for Italy here, if you spend like a whole 5 years, 10 years, you not relocate to anywhere, kudos for you. Because Italy here, it's not easy for somebody to receive money for government. It's not easy at all. Because before government go begin to give you money, you go pass a lot of many difficulties before Italian government go say they want begin to pay your children. It's very hard. Most especially if you be say you know they work. If you are a mother and a father, you know they work at all. Your husband, you know they work. The both of them know they work. If you carry paper, say you want to go submit, either for Comuno or for Patronato, if you go there, they no go ever give you money. Instead, they go tell you saying, drop your phone number, they go find work, they go call you, make you go to work. So that is the reason why you see say many of our women and men, they always run go another country. For example, like Germany, because they know say German government, even some people say that they will buy father for their children. If they go there, they go just lie one kind lie. The next thing, government go find house for them, it go begin to pay them money. You they work, you know they work, German government no one know. They carry money, they give you. But Italy here, it is very different. Even if they see many posts, when people they post ever since, they hear them for news say bonus don't come out, or bonus for children, make you go register so that they pay you money. That bonus for children, make I explain how it they work. If you be say you they work for Italy here, you they regular. Government they pay you money every month. As in company, when you for the work, you they receive salary. For example, now let me use my own situation. Let me use my own self as an example. Like me now, my husband they work now for one company for over 8 years. Now my husband they work there. As my husband they work for there, my husband they receive salary every month, and then they give him booster paga. That booster paga is just like check. They will give my husband. They fit pay the money direct to our account. At times, if they not pay and they fit give a check to go withdraw the money, and he get receipt. That receipt might be that booster paga. How government they pay you, how much when you they earn on your daily work. You understand? Everything go dey there. You understand? So as my husband now is dey regular now, he dey work for that company, and the contract when they do for now 00. Which is indeterminato, you know they expire. If any bonus come out, we don't try them. If we go register for that bonus, they make them pay us. They will tell us they make we bring our Reddito. That Reddito is to show how much you they earn in a year. If you can't carry that Reddito go, people when they feel collect that bonus when they pay, or any money when come out. Like I said, when government go say, make them go register for this thing, they go begin to pay everybody. Then they put rules and regulation. If you be say your Reddito is from 0 euro to 10,000 euro in a year, now you they receive. You feel apply that money, they go pay and enter your account. Maybe if it be 200 euro in a month, or if it be 150 euro in a month, or if it be 300, depends. That money you go they receive every month. Why? Because you're ready to ide low. Italy they call and say basso. You're ready to ide basso. With that, government they go pay you the money when it come out, when you go sign for. But if you're ready to ide high, like 15,000 in a year, 16,000, 17, 20, go reach 50,000 in a year when you they receive. If you go apply for that bonus, government can never give you. Why? Because you're ready to they high. For that, they not go fit pay you the money when you they apply for. So it happened to us the time when I go register they say e get money when e come out for mothers. Say everybody make dem go submit their document, they go receive that money. When I go there, my husband register na we dey use, because our document don become family document. Now my husband na him dey carry us. Now they understand now. So as far as say we don't marry here, we don't marry for Africa, me and my husband and my children, we dey use the same name. You understand? So as my husband, they regular, they work. Me, I know they do regular work. Now once in a while, now they work. Sometimes I feel go work like 3 times in a week. They don't put me contract. You understand? So based on say we get Storico di Familia. Now that Storico di Familia, my name is there, my children name is there, my husband name is there. If I go present them, the constable will bring Redditor. My husband Redditor is there very high, which is our family Redditor. My husband, they receive reach 17,500 in a year. So with that, they go say, no, we don't need the bonus when they're supposed to pay. Say because our Redditor is there high. For that, they don't agree give us anything. Now they understand now. Now be that. So not be everything when come out where they say a bonus don't come out to no go register or that they pay or that they pay or not be everybody that they pay money for Italy here. Now what they try to explain. Then waiting make come women that they run go Germany, because Germany, even if husband they work, wife they work, Germany government go find house give you. They will even see they pay you money for children every blessed month. And that money, why did they pay you? They pay you that money because of your children. Why? Children, they go eat. Children, that they wear clothes past we won't be adult. You understand? Children expenses, if they big way past we won't be adult. Now in make government, they give people money for that place. You understand? And when they can still make government still they collect people children. If government they pay you money, why? Now because of your children. That's why they pay you that money. Government no one know whether you know they work or you they work. If you dey alone, you no get children, government no send you. Now be euro for you. If you dey alone, you no get children, then you dey parabolate yourself say you no get work. Government no want know for you. They fit send you say, may you go Caritas, go stay for Caritas. Caritas go they feed you, they go they give you food. But as far as say children they involve, now because of those children, government they go they give you money. That is for Germany. Me I dey hear the story all the time. You understand? So right now, what can they happen? I dey see some people now, they will cry come out for social media say that they collect their children. Why? If government they give you that money, you're supposed to they use that they take care of your children. But our African people, their mentality, they close. If they give them that money, they go send that money go Africa. May they go to the build house. May they go to buy car, they'll go put them for their house. Some of them say now then they sponsor their family for school. Meanwhile, you there for Europe here. Your pikin cloth not complete for 2 for your body. Your pikin not if they change 1 shoe in every year. Like that, as your pikin they go school, teachers they carry eye for long, because the teachers they know what they go on for their country. They know their rules and regulations and they know their law. They know say no how you they receive something for government. Like that, they go put eye for your pikin body. Not be say they get waiting, they want use your pikin they do. Why they put eye for your pikin body is because of the money when you they receive every month for that pikin head. Now it make some people they will say they want to go school, go carry their children. Before you know, they go say no, they know if you give you your pikin. You get waiting your pikin report to us, they will go call assistance to child. Before you know it, they will collect that pikin for them. If you be that kind of person, please, if government they give you money, automatically now government now be the parents of that children. You just parade yourself as a mother or as a father. But if you look who really get that children, now government now they get those children. That is for the people when they for Germany. I know say women, mothers when they for Germany, they earn money every month when government they pay them. and na Germany na there for dey collect children well. If e set, they no wan know. Una remember one woman when they deport that time with the 3 children? Only say the woman not go into details the reason why they deport her with the 3 children. So be very careful, my people. If you they receive money for government, be very careful the way you treat your children, the way you they send money they go Africa, because that they give you that money, they're not they stupid. They give you that money for you to take care of those children. Not be you to they send the money, go give your family for Africa. May they buy house, may they buy cars, may they do their own thing. That they give you because of the children when you born for the country. So you have to take good care of them. If you look, your pikin no get shoe again, now your duty. Once you receive that money, go. That they see shoe of maximum 20 euro. That they see shoe of 30, depends. You know, compulsory say you must surely buy marker for your pikin. You know, compulsory. If you still explain to your pikin, say, I want to get money this month, manage this one. Go. That they see China store. That they see, you know, H&M, any store at all. You go there, find better shoe where you know say go still last for your pikin at least for 1 year or 2 years. You buy am for her. Nobody go carry gun for your head. But some of our African people, that they overdo. So my message here today is that if you they receive money for government hand, please be very careful. Oh. They go give you with this hand, they go collect them back with this hand. Now I be waiting there for Europe. And I'm waiting some of our women no understand. Their money they sweet oh, who don't like free money? How go just there for house now every month? My account go they make pecking, money go just they enter. Who no go collect them? Go collect them now. But you have to be very careful. The more you they collect for their hand, they pay you that money, they go find house give you. Like the one way they go on social media now, some family now. House when they even they now government now you get the house. Government find house give them. Children when you still born, government they give you money. At the end of the day, children, you know they bath them. You know they bath your children. Sometimes they bath them only once in a week, 2 times in a week. Who does that? So you have to take good care of them. Looking at them alone, if you carry them out, when Oyibo go see them, they will give you compliments. Say, wow, complimenti. Tuo fili è bellissimo. They will give you compliments. But the way if you they can't treat them anyhow, hair go old for small pikin head, you know go feel later. Pikin go pass you, you go the hear odo. Now Oyibo they collect children for their hand. So my advice for una today is that make una dey very careful. As a parent, as a mother, be very careful the way you do things. Most especially that Germany when you see so. Because Italy here is still very hard for Italian government to just carry mother and children, go just send them back to their country. It is very hard. But they fit collect those children from you. Because here, Italy here, I can guarantee you that 100%. If you fuck up, maybe you know your children, you know they take care of them very well. Your pikin and one kind of pikin when be say maleducato, you know, get respect, you know, maleducato and all those things. The next thing, your pikin, they go just collect them from your hand. They will tell you, say, for now, your pikin, it dey for access to child hand. When your pikin go dey ready, or when you go dey ready, you go carry lawyer, come dey battle the case. So you guys need to be very careful. Now, waiting I want to talk here today, na be that one. Thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful topic. In case you do, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. Thank you all guys. Till I come your way again. Bye.